So here are the 3 ways to improve your health via Vastu and Feng Shui principles. See, the Vastu and Feng Shui principles are based on 5 elements, the flow of 5 elements. When the five elements are in continuous flow, in a complete 360-degree circle, and they are flowing, it creates the good health. So what we suggest to the clients is that understand that how water, air, fire, earth and spaces can help you to get the flow. So our 3 tips are again the same: declutter the home, keep the center open, keep the water element balanced. The water element in your home, you should do the cleansing with the water spray. Put a lemongrass oil and do the spray all over your home and dusting and mopping with lemongrass. It helps you to get the flow of water. If you found this interesting and you want to learn more such tips to energize your spaces for growth and prosperity in all the fields, we are having a workshop on the secrets of Vastu and Feng Shui for success, prosperity and health. I am S. Pooja, a healer, author, speaker and entrepreneur, and help 1,000+ clients prosper by simply improving their spaces. If you are someone who is looking to grow and prosperous in all the fields of your life, I invite you to my workshop where you will learn the potential root cause hindering your growth and prosperity due to spaces. 10 secrets anyone can use to improve 75% energies of their homes and workspaces. What is Vastu and its importance to 10x health, abundance, relationship and emotion. 5 ways to balance positive and negative energies in your home and workspaces. Health issues due to imbalance in Ayurveda in your spaces and how do we balance that. Importance of Vastu in our lives and much more. Click on the link below to register for my workshop if you want to transform your life with the right spaces and the right energy.